afternoon. Welcome to our product simple press launch of Nature Joe's Engine Booster Oil. No? So we'd like to invite all of you. We'll be at the Transport Show on May 26 to 29. So you can see the poster. Visit our booth, Nature Joe's, at booth 14. Alright, May 26 to 29, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. But with close strict IATF protocol, kailangan bring your bags. Because aside from the testimonies, marami na, no? So I want you also to be part of this history. Now anyway, without further much ado, on my right is the president of Nature Joe's, no? Joey Villamor. And on my left, Professor Ray Tan. On my left, the guy behind the booster oil, alright, which will surprise you and amaze you on the presentation on what's in it for a motorcycle, for an automobile, and what power can it give you. Kaya nga, booster oil, no? So we will run you through the benefits and testimonies of certain car owners and motorcycle owners who have claims already, who have experienced results, no? So anyway, Professor Raytan, you may introduce yourself and go ahead with your wonderful presentation. All right, take it away.
Sir Raul, Sir Ray, niyaya ko lang po magkape kami kasi may concert kami pinoproduce. By the way, ako po si Emil Carrion, TV producer po ng ABS-CBN, GMA7, ng iba't ibang networks. Ako pong producer ng Magandang Gabi Bayan, TV Patrol, and Eyewitness. Sa totoo lang po, nung kinuwentuhan ako ni Sir Ray, hindi ako naniniwala. So, nung isang araw, kinarga ko po sa motorsiklo ko. Nabigla po ako, talagang nag-iba yung tunog ng motor. Parang naging matining. Tinawagan ko po siya agad. Sir Ray, ano po itong ginawa nyo? Parang nag-iba yung motor ko. I went as far as sa north, hindi ko na maalala, basta layo ng narating ko. Talaga pong mas tumahimik, mas naging matining ang tunog. Hindi naman po ako car race driver, isang ordinaryong nagmumotor lang. Pero nung nakita ko nga po yung epekto, talagang yung effective at siguro talagang order na rin ako ng marami. Papatungan ko na lang, okay lang. Hindi, talagang maganda. I'm now planning na, kasi po sa trabaho ko as TV producer, ang dami kong nami-meet na toda sa iba't ibang lugar ng Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Ako rin ang nag-a-arrange sa land bank para matulungan ng mga toda. So isa na po, itong produktong ito na tutulungan kong i-launch kasi dami na namin natulungang mga produkto para i-reach sa mga grassroots. So ngayon, sa trabaho ko as producer, full support po ako dahil talagang personally nasubukan ko po. Salamat po, salamat.
Hello po, good afternoon. Randy Calot po from Manila Standard. I also own, sabi nga ni Sir Raul, I also own a motor shop. Baka meron malapit sa Los Santos po sa Manila. Moto 247. At I'm also host sa national team. Magagaling na natin.
Gold medal!
Mga kabayan!
I'm Yuri Mercado, I'm a concert producer. My question would be, gaano katagal yung effect niya dun sa oil level once na nilagay?
Actually, ang simple name namin is 4 months.
4 months.
Actually, pwede pang lumampas yun.
Kasi ako sobrang nagandahan ako dun sa product. Actually may suggestion ako. Kasi pwede natin pa-trending kagad, di ba? Alam nyo naman yung very trending yung nagpapa-change oil. Di ba? Yung hashtag, magpapa-change oil, di ba? So tapos ang magandang
Yes.
magandang pwedeng vlogger dyan is it's either Ivana Alawi or Maui Taylor. Diba? I think this product is really very good and it will help yung emission nga sa pollution. Yes.
Pag ganun, araw-araw ka pa chase.
Tingin ko. Saka pasok na pasok yung nature juice.
Yes.
Kasi it's all of nature eh. Kailangan natin mag-ano. I think Ivana and Maui Taylor will do. Trending kagad yan. Thank you very
Now,
much.
maybe we'd like a few words from Uncle Manny Roque on his experience as a professional race driver. Ray, pakiabot lang yung mic kay Manny Roque.
Good evening, everybody. Sa racing, maraming modification. How to make your car run faster. And I believe this engine oil booster, pag nilagay mo to, lahat ng nilagay mo modification doon, will definitely help a lot. Improve electricity. Unbelievable talaga when I had it on my Tucson. Doon pa lang sa driveway eh. Lumalabas pa lang ako ng driveway. So, yung bisita ko sa bahay, is very fan of that car. So, nung gabi lumabas kami, hindi ko sinabi sa kanya eh. So, paglabas namin sa Commonwealth, we went to Fairview. Sabi ko sa kanya, after 5 minutes, sabi niya sa akin, there's something different. Bigla different. Eh dati daw yung accelerator pedal, ang didiin niya, ito nakapatag na yung konting-konti. Sabi ko, nilagyan ko na yung booster niya. So yun lang, it's a great, thank you.
Okay, thank you po.
Okay, thank you very much, Uncle Manny Roque. So, yan yung time nila Dante Silverio at Arthur Tuason, the late Arthur Tuason. Okay, so in fact, si Uncle Manny has already ordered and sold 40 pieces of the automobile oil and 10 pieces for the motorcycle oil. No? So marami ng claims. No? Again, it's a good breakthrough. Okay, palakpakan natin si Professor Ray Tan, the man behind our booster oil, no? This energy na minention niya.